Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus and bago tayo mag-start, gusto kong batiin si Miss Lelaine Santos. No? Nanonood siya ng mga videos natin, sabi niya. No? So, for her review, no? So, Miss Lelaine, tuloy mo lang yung pagre-review and good luck. No? So, tuloy na natin yung ating series. Before, we have already learned these formulas, no? Yan yung mga basic derivative formulas, and before tayo mag-aral ng mga bagong formulas, mag-solve muna tayo ng problems, no? Yung mga problems na isosolve natin ngayon, yun yung mga karaniwang lumalabas sa mga exams, no? Sa mga quizzes, no? Pag kayo nag-aral ng calculus, no? At least high school calculus and yung basic calculus sa college, no? Now, tignan natin, no? Find the slope of f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2 at any point at x equals 1, at x equals negative 2, at 0, 2, no? So, pag sinabi natin slope of a function, di ba? Sabi natin, pag sinabi natin slope of a function, it is same as getting the derivative, no? So, which means that if you want to get the slope of the function, we get the derivative of f, no? So, for number 1, we have f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2. And if you get the derivative, we have, bababa natin to, di ba? 2x to the first power, babawasan natin ng isa. And then yung derivative ng 3x is equal to 3. No? So, ito na yung sagot. Ito na yung sagot sa ating number 1. So, this is the derivative. This is the slope. This is the slope of f at any point, no? Now, if we want to get the slope of f at x equals 1, anong gagawin natin? Substitute natin yung x equals 1. Saan ba? Dito or dito? We are looking for the slope, and this is the slope of the function. No? So therefore, yung 1 is substitute natin siya dito sa x. So magiging f prime of 1 is equal to 2 times, ang x natin is equal to 1, so magiging times 1 minus 3, which means that f prime of 1 is equal to negative 1. No? So the slope of f at x equals 1 is equal to negative 1. Now for number 3, we have at x equals negative 2. So again, we're still looking for the slope. So dapat dito tayo magsa-substitute. No? So f prime of negative 2 is equal to 2 times negative 2 minus 3. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. So f prime of negative 2 is equal to negative 7. At yung number 4, at 0, 2. Ang kailangan natin yung x, di ba? And the value of x here is 0. So f prime of 0 is equal to 2 times 0 minus 3, which is equal to negative 3. Okay? Hindi ko na kayo ginagay dun sa subtraction of integers, no? Sa tawag dito. Sa operation on integers, no? Ang assumption ko is alam nyo na kasi we're discussing calculus, no? So, hindi ko na masyadong dinidetalye yung mga operations. Now, how do we check if our answers are correct? Well, one way to check is to actually get the slope of the function, no? Using a grapher, no? So, meron tayong function which is f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2, no? And we want to get this slope, no, of the function. So pag sinabi natin slope of the function, it's the same as getting the slope of the tangent line, di ba? Naalala nyo yung unang mga videos natin on derivative, no? So pag sinabi mo slope of a function, it's the same as the slope of the tangent line. So gawa tayo ng tangent line. And then we use the slope tool para makita natin yung slope niya, no? This is GeoGebra, by the way, and you can download this for free, no? So for example, at x equals 2, yan. This is the slope of the function at x equals 2. It is equal to the slope of the line tangent to the function. So tignan natin yung mga sinolve natin. At x equals 1, ano slope niya? Negative 1. So check natin kung at x equals 1, ito yung x equals 1 natin. Ang slope niya ay negative 1, tama? Tama, no? So tama tayo dito. So again, nakikita nyo yung meaning ng derivative, no? The meaning of derivative is actually the slope. So at x equals negative 2, the slope is negative 7. So lagay natin yung x sa negative 2. Saan yung negative 2? Dito, di ba? Nasa taas pa siya ng graph, no? So at x equals negative 2, ito yung negative 2, di ba? Yung x equals negative 2. So nandito dapat yung point natin. Nandito dapat yung A. Ito yung negative 2. So dapat nandito yung point A natin. I'll use the pen siguro. Mahirap yung mouse pad. So I'll put A here. This at negative 2, the slope is negative 7. Tama ba yung kanina? Negative 7 yung slope natin kanina, no? Tama? Ito yun, di ba? And then at x equals 0, the slope is negative 3. At x equals 0, saan yung 0? At x equals 0. Nandito yung x equals 0. Ito yung x natin, di ba? Ito yung 0. Dapat nandito yung a natin. X equals 0. The slope is negative 3. Tama ba? Slope is negative 3. Okay, so yun lang yung ating verification kung tama ba yung ating solution. As you can see, na-connect natin yung graph, no? Graphical representation doon sa ating algebraic solutions, no? So, pag sinabi natin again, ulit-ulit ko sinasabi kasi ang daming mga estudyante na nakakasolve ng derivative pero hindi alam ibig sabihin ng derivative. When we say derivative, it means the slope of the function, no, at a point or at any point kung function yung ating derivative, no? Dito at any point, and this for number 2, 3, and 4 at particular points, slope of the function at particular points. Okay, that's it. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.